Alright guys, here's a short video of my truck. I was having a problem with the security light coming on. Well, I didn't fix it, but I was going to show you something. You know how your console right here, light right there, light, take the thing off. Alright, security light came on. Pretty much everything electrical didn't work that was automatic. For instance, doors, open doors, light didn't come on. Headlights, automatic headlights didn't work either. I mean, there's like the high beams, you do this, it worked. But see that little indicator right there? That wasn't coming on. So I looked at all the wire diagrams and it all came down to the BCM, which is down here underneath the steering wheel. Well, I have a scan tool, a snap-on. I tried to control the BCM with it, but it wouldn't communicate. So it was either the BCM was bad or there were wiring problems. And I was about to give up, except for I thought about it for about 5 or 10 minutes. Then I was like, well, how about the fuse box? All right, so I jump in here. So I took my fuse box out, took the cover off. You know, you gotta take this off. This comes up. Well, anywho, this wire right here, this one. See right there where I splice it together? But anyways, this wire here had a little bit of damage on it. So I went ahead and cut it, cleaned it up, put it back together, and bam, everything in my damn truck is working 100% again. But anyways, I thought I'd make a short video because I couldn't find anything on YouTube about it. So I figured it out, it was the wiring. So anywho, well, I thought I'd just show you fast. Thank you.